Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore the fascinating journey of spermatozoa through the female reproductive tract, focusing on their transport, capacitation, and the process of fertilization. These steps are vital for successful reproduction, involving a series of intricate and well-coordinated events. Deposition of spermatozoa in the female tract. Upon ejaculation, spermatozoa are deposited in different regions of the female reproductive tract depending on the species. In cattle, semen is deposited in the anterior vagina. In species like pigs and horses, semen enters the uterus directly. This initial site of deposition significantly influences the journey of spermatozoa toward the oviduct. Immediate transport. Following deposition, sperm undergo immediate transport, where they are rapidly moved to the uterus and oviducts. Retrograde transport, where sperm flow back out of the tract. Phagocytosis by neutrophils, which are activated during estrus. Only a fraction of the sperm progresses further, highlighting the selective nature of this process. Cervix and privileged pathways. The cervix serves as both a barrier and a guide for spermatozoa. During estrus, the cervical mucosa secretes two types of mucus: sulfomucins, viscous mucus that traps non-motile or abnormal sperm; silomucins, low viscosity mucus creating privileged pathways that allow motile sperm to pass through. This filtering mechanism ensures that only viable sperm reach the uterus. Capacitation preparing sperm for fertilization. Capacitation is a biochemical process that prepares sperm for fertilization. It begins in the uterus and is completed in the oviduct. Key changes include alterations in the sperm plasma membrane, enabling binding to the oocyte; hyperactivation of motility, where sperm exhibit vigorous and erratic swimming patterns to penetrate the zona pellucida of the oocyte. Fertilization, the final step. Fertilization occurs in the oviduct and involves several critical events. 1. Binding to the zona pellucida, sperm attached to specific proteins on the oocyte's surface. 2. Acrosomal reaction, enzymes are released to digest the zona pellucida. 3. Penetration and fusion, a single sperm penetrates the oocyte membrane, triggering the formation of male and female pronuclei. This fusion marks the creation of a zygote, the first stage of a new organism. Factors affecting sperm transport and fertilization. Several factors influence sperm survival and transport. The physical nature of ejaculate, such as coagulating proteins forming vaginal plugs in some species; the female reproductive tract environment, which varies with hormonal cycles; mechanisms like retrograde loss and phagocytosis reduce sperm numbers but also ensure only the healthiest sperm reach the oocyte. Conclusion and key takeaways. The journey of spermatozoa through the female reproductive tract is a complex and selective process involving transport, capacitation, and fertilization. Each step ensures the highest likelihood of successful reproduction by optimizing the quality of sperm that reach the oocyte. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for advancements in reproductive biology and veterinary practices. Thank you for your attention. I'd be happy to address any questions or discuss this further.